Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So I'm going to start with Eurusd. So I'm expecting Eurusd to sell. Right, why is that so? If we take a quick look at the USD index, we're going to find out that we have been having an overall price movement that is bearish, but then in the last couple of weeks we saw a break in market structure after a run on sell side liquidity, right? And last week we created candle length, which is in this case sell side liquidity, right? So from what I'm expecting, I expect, since price has broken the market structure here, I expect price to dip down and at least take out this sell side liquidity and possibly run into this daily order block, right? So I'm going to be monitoring price when it gets to that, but overall, right, we're going to wait for price to dip into the zone, right? And after that's done, right, we expect price to now buy. All right, so with that said, all right, since we have taken out sell side liquidity, we don't want to see price come any lower than this low, right? But regardless, the reason why I have put this huge arrow is that we also need to be aware that we have been in a very huge downtrend, and it might want to continue. This might be a type of sell. So with that said, right, let's take a quick look on EURUSD. Right, with EURUSD, I've already marked my chart. We ran out buy side liquidity, right, and we also broke market structure here, right. So now we're expecting a move down, right. So when we are going to target the sell side liquidity candle length on the US dollar, we should also see an up movement into this bearish order block, right, and then find support and sell, right. So as you can see, I've marked two areas here. Okay, all right, if price is going to want to trade lower, it should at least stay below the minimum threshold of this block here, all right. And uh, most or the bulk of the volume is usually the candle, so I marked it here, so you've got to also take note of that. In terms of my stop loss, I'm going to put my stop loss just above this swing high here, right, with my initial targets going to be 1.1760, all right, and then my final target is going to be 1.1700. So with that said, I think that should do it on EURUSD.